Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Grange Headteacher CCCU Assembly. And all the children, all the adults, all the parents and carers of the children of Grange in year 1 and year 2, we know what we are all about at Grange. We have our very own Grange CC way. And the G of Grange stands for a great caring attitude. We really do care. The R of Grange stands for really trying our best. That's what we are all about, people of Grange. The A of Grange stands for always learning, because that's what we do. We're always learning. And when we make a mistake, it doesn't feel so nice. But what do we do with our mistakes? What do? We learn from them. And the second G of Grange, the J sounding G of Grange, is going for improvement and progress, because that's what we are always going for. We're not so worried about, is somebody else better than me or worse than me? Am I better than somebody else? It's about, can I keep on improving myself? Can I keep on making progress? The E of Grange stands for education, which is all of the learning we do at school and in our lives, and we use that to help us to make good choices as we go along in our lives. And the A and the N of Grange, which I hadn't forgotten, is for never giving up. We keep on going because we are CC learners, and that's what Grange is all about. We say that at Grange, our true strength is a strength deep inside ourselves, and that is the strength when we are trying to be our very best and become our best. And that's when we live our lives with confidence for ourselves and consideration for the beautiful world around us. When we know that kindness is strength, and kindness is kindness to ourselves and kindness to others. We live our lives with confidence and consideration. We make the world a better place for ourselves and for everybody. So here are some of the things that give me hope at Grange. All the Grange children who welcome new children to Grange, make them feel safe and happy. I know there's some new children starting at Grange. All our children of Grange, who do CC walking, CC salutes, and star sitting. Oh, I love it. In the morning when I see you, when I go around the school, your CC salute, your CC walking, your star sitting. So proud of you. All the Grange children who make consistent good choices, and they helped others to learn to make good choices. I'd like to say that all the Grange parents and carers who support us and support the Grange CC way, that gives us hope. I love it when a parent gives me a Grange CC salute. That makes me feel amazing as well. All our Grange adults, the teachers and educators who teach and care for us and help our children of Grange to learn and make loads of progress, they give me so much hope. And all the Grange children are quick to be ready to learn, especially after break and other transitions. Transition when you go from one thing to another thing. Like maybe it's when you come in from outside and you're sitting down. That's a transition, that's a change. But if you're quick and ready to learn and you sit ready to learn, oh, that gives me such hope. Character strength focus today that we're talking about, it's a superpower. It's called being me. And we often forget about that power. Nobody else can be you. The only person that can be me is me. So that in itself is a superpower. Because often in life, other people around us try to influence us. They try to make us do things that they want us to do, or maybe to distract us, to do things that maybe will make them enjoy or have fun. But if we are truly being ourselves, if I'm truly being me, then I make the choices that are right for me. And choices that are right for me are good for me and good for the world. So everybody who's doing CC walking, everybody who's doing star sitting, you are realizing that you are being yourself and living your best life. There is no substitute for you. You know, like on a football match or in any sports, there are often substitutes. That means somebody gets tired, so they change the person on the field. But in the game of life, there's no substitute for you. You have to live your best life. Nobody can do it for you. I have to live my best life. Nobody can do it for me. They can help me. They can support me. They can be kind. Can't do it for me. So it's always about becoming our very best. And the superpower we're talking about is being me. And that is a superpower. Here are the key questions. You know how I love questions, because questions focus us and open up pathways of learning. So here's a key question. Am I really proud of myself? Am I really, really proud of myself? And you know what? A lot of times, I don't know if you're like me, a lot of times, then you start to wobble and you think, maybe I could have done better. I'm not so proud of myself. Am I really strong enough to make my own decisions? You've got other people telling you, and it's so easy for other people to tell you what you should be doing. People are so good at that. They're always such experts in giving advice on what you should do. But the questions we need to ask ourselves if we are going to live that superpower of being myself is, am I really proud of myself? I should be proud of myself. Am I really strong enough to make my own decisions? Yes, I am. And I need to know how to listen. I need to know how to speak. I need to live the CC way. But yes, so let's train the CC way. First thing, if you're going to live the superpower of being yourself, then the thing is to do the right thing even when no one is looking. And I'm going to even change it a bit, even when the people who are most important, your parents, your teachers, the people that you know what is the right thing, even when they aren't there looking, you do the right thing. And you know inside yourself that you make a difference when you make the right choice, when you are the best that you can be. Here's somebody picking up a wallet on the street. You know, you find a wallet, it's very tempting just to say, I'll keep the money. I've seen so many children of Grange doing amazing things. I saw somebody found a £5 note. There's no way that anybody could say, oh, wow, that £5 note belongs to me. They could have kept it for themselves and just kept quiet. But no, they handed it in to me and I put it in the office. And the thing is, if somebody knows that they dropped the £5, then we will get it back to them. Nobody's looking, but you find something that doesn't belong to you. Do the right thing. Do the right thing even when no one is looking. Yep, I'm going to say, it's a picture of toilets. Now, you might think, what on earth are you talking about here, Mr. Kirby? But I'm going to say something else. When I was a child at school, it didn't always feel nice to go to the toilets because a lot of times in the toilets, we give people privacy. We give them space because that's the right thing to do. But when you give privacy, it means the adults aren't there looking. The teachers aren't there to see that you do the right thing, or parents. So sometimes people really mess up the toilets, make it really horrible. And I know at Grange now it's improved recently, which is really nice. The toilets are less wet, the floor, and there's less toilet paper wasted. But everybody, when you go to the toilet, you think, I want to leave the toilet in a way that the next person coming would like to see the toilet the way I would like the toilet to be if I went to the toilet. So always do the right thing, even when no person or nobody in authority is looking. And that's what I'd like you to do. You can do your feedback discussion with your parent, carer, or with your teacher or educator. Think of examples when I will be strong enough to be me and make a good choice for the good of myself and my community. Can you think of some examples? So it might be like I'll go to the toilet and I'll make sure that the floor doesn't get too wet and I keep the toilets really clean. It might be if I find some money, I'll hand it into the office. It might be that even if teacher is working with another child and isn't looking at me, I will concentrate and do my best and do the right thing. I'll be kind and caring, all the right things. So be yourselves and be brilliant. Be the best me that you can be. Stars of the week, we have Ubaid and Grace and Archie and Mate. Let me look at them again. Brilliant Grange Gold Stars. So proud of you. It's fantastic to see you there. Class champions, Sarah G, Bahar, Shakir from Rumi, Tasnim from Malala, Archie from Malala, Mate from Malala. Tasnim, I really enjoyed doing the Daily Mile with you. You were fantastic. The way you were kind and encouraging. Brilliant. In John Lennox, Izan and Enya and Daris. Fantastic. Really proud of all you class champions. In Greta Thunberg, it's Zara and Teuta. Wonderful to see you there. Rosanna from Greta Thunberg and Unik and Alan Turing. Well done, Unik. And Adera and Alan Turing. Adera again. And Sophia D. But let me just check something because... Nasser. I'm so sorry. I put Adera twice and I didn't put your name, Nasser from Alan Turing. So well done to all of you class champions. So we got 19,533 brilliant CC points. And who were the classy class? Well, Rumi class, well done to you. Greta Thunberg class, look at you. But the classy class of the week was John Lennon class. It's wonderful to see you there, John Lennon class. Haven't seen you there for ages. So well done. Give yourselves a CC salute and a confidence boost. Proud of you and everybody. We're all happy for John Lennon class. So our term target was, wow, 500,000 CC points. We've still got 119,613 more to go. We need loads of class charts. John Lennon, you did your bit. Everybody, come on, let's have a good week. Are we going to make 500,000 class charts points? Yes, we are, because we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved, we are Grange, and we're going to make it. So the reindeer came in the autumn term, and the chicks, I actually think that when you're watching this assembly, the chicks will be here already. Although they won't be chicks, they'll be eggs, but they'll hatch. And I'm so looking forward to that. So remember to be the best you that you can be, to be the best me that I can be. Give yourself a confidence boost. Believe in yourself. Look at our beautiful planet. And no matter what goes on in our planet, we are going to be people of consideration and make the world a better place. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Let's live our lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the learning ahead. Be safe and happy, children of Grange. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's be great. Let's be Grange.